Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Skylarzoe here. I am back with a new video. If you are new, first things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, support your girl here. And make sure you hit that notification bell so that way anytime I put up a video you guys are notified. And if you're not new, hey guys. So today's video I wanted to do a review on Red Rose Naturals. It's a black owned skincare company that I had found on my research when I was looking up black owned businesses. Now let me make one thing clear. I have always supported black owned businesses. That's something I've always done. I found this company and I wanted to try their face kit just so I can try like a bunch of products at once instead of like 1 or 2 products. So I got the face kit and it came in this box here. African Black Foamy Facial Cleanser. This is made with all organic ingredients. So it's distilled water, African black soap, sweet almond oil, paraben-free preservative, raw shea butter, vitamin E oil, plantain skin ashes, and cocoa pod ashes. When I started to use it, my face didn't dry up. I know with a lot of like black soap cleansers, your face dries up. I feel like when it's more so like a foaming cleanser, like a liquid black soap cleanser, I feel like your face doesn't dry out as much as using the bar soap. So I will say that like my skin didn't feel dry. The only con that I did not like about this product is that it didn't really keep me from breaking out too much compared to like when I was using my Cetaphil or my my Grandanium cleanser. I hope I said that right. When I was using those cleansers, like I didn't break out. I really didn't break out unless it was like that time of the month. I'll get like 1 or 2 pimples. That's it. But with this product, I noticed that when it was that time of month, like I would get a bunch of pimples everywhere. So that's the only thing I didn't like. But I will say that it definitely kept my face like baby bottom smooth. Even when I had those 1 or 2 pimples, like my face still felt smooth. It didn't feel dry. So I definitely would recommend that product. It was really good. I'll make sure to put like the price and everything on the screen so you know how much it is if you want to buy it individually instead of buying it in a whole kit. So the next cleanser that I had brought with the kit, well, came with the kit, is the African Black Soap. So I believe you can use this on your body as well. Don't mind the Ziploc bag. With this product, I made the ultimate no. So I didn't read the card because there was so many cards that came in this box. I didn't read one of them. And after I was done using the facial cleanser, it was all gone. I was like, all right, let me just use the bar soap or whatever. And I was using it every day, twice a day. And I want to say around the 3rd week of me using it, my face got so irritated that the whole side was red. And it was just so sore that like just washing my face was painful. And I was just like, what the hell? And I was about to leave like a nasty review like, oh my god, this thing did this to my face, the soap, oh my god, the dramatics, give me an Oscar. Like I was about to put my Karen on, my whole Karen voice. And it wasn't until I found that piece of paper and it literally says to only use that soap. Well, they recommend I use the soap twice, 2 to 3 times a week. I ain't listen because I ain't see that. So if any of you decide to buy this soap, make sure that you only use it 2 to 3 times a week. And make sure you read everything that comes in the box. Because I think I get so excited and I just saw like the thank you note and all this other stuff that I didn't even pay attention to that. That was the only con that I had. And honestly, I can't even say that was a con because that was my fault. I should have read the instructions first before I just was like, oh, let me just wash my face every day with it, you know? I will say that this soap does dry out my face. Not like crazy like other black soaps that I've used in the past, but it does dry it up a little bit. So you want to make sure that you moisturize a lot when you use this. I feel like it's helped lighten up my dark spots along with the other products that came with the box. So another product that came in was the Rose Water Hydrating Face Toner. It has organic rose distilled water, rose water, and organic Rosa Damascena? Damascena. I hope I said that right. Hydrosol. I hope I said that right. I actually love this toner. I feel like with a lot of toners my face kind of dries out, but I feel like after I sprayed this, like my face still felt hydrated. Like it felt like, I don't know how to explain it. It didn't feel, because I feel like a lot of toners dry you out because it's kind of like stripping the oils a little bit. But with this, it didn't strip the oil. Like I still felt hydrated. I didn't feel dry. And then when I would put like my serums or whatever treatment on after it, it kind of just glided on my face. It wasn't like, I don't know how to explain it. Like I wish I could, like, I don't know how to explain it, but it definitely for sure did not dry out my skin. One of the other products that came in was the TLC Skin Slav, and this is tea tree, lavender, and calendula. I hope I'm saying that word right. Is jojoba oil, I hope I said that right, shea butter, lavender oil, vitamin E oil, sunflower oil, sweet almond oil, beeswax, calendula, coconut oil, tea tree essential oil, and essential oil blend. So with this, you just apply it to like your problem areas. I will say that this definitely helped clear up the side of my face when it got irritated, because it literally turned red, and then after it was like healing, it like scabbed. So I had to like exfoliate every other day to kind of get rid of those scabs. And this helped with, along with like my fade away serum, it helped get rid of that. So like my face it's not like dark on that side. That's what I was scared of, because I'm like, I did this freaking skincare journey and I made it this far of clearing up my skin, and I still got work to do, and here I go putting more scars on my face. So I was just annoyed. So another product that came in was this moisturizer, and it's the Hydrating Rose Facial Cream. So it's rose, geranium, aloe vera, and jojoba. Is it jojoba or jojoba? Oh, whatever. I like this moisturizer a lot. I think that I'm gonna buy this just by itself. It smells so good, and it's like a creamy texture, but like it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. And like I have oily skin, like especially in my T-zone area, so when it comes to moisturizers, I have to be really careful, because a lot of moisturizers can clog me up and cause me to break out crazy. But with this, no breakouts. Like it's not heavy. When I put my makeup on top of it, my makeup just glides on. It's like just super nice. Even when I do a matted look, like I don't look too cakey because of this moisturizer. So I would definitely recommend it if you're looking for a good moisturizer that you can wear under your sunscreen, under your makeup. Even if you want to put like a BB cream and do like a makeup no makeup look, that would be perfect to put underneath. It's not heavy at all. So I also got like this free little gift that came with the box, and this is the turmeric honey glow mask. Now I only used it one time. For me, it smells like cake mix. Yeah, I only used it once, only because like I have another mask that I'm using. Well, I have two other masks that I'm using, and I don't like to use like so many different products on my face, because I just don't want to irritate it. And I just feel like, you know, I don't know, I feel weird, because I'm like, can I mix these products together? Like, is it going to be a good combination? And I just wanted to give my full review on these products and not use so much other stuff entwined with it, because then it's like, how can I give you an honest review? You know what I mean? So I only used it once. I did like it. It's kind of like the Indian clay mask, where it like dries and it feels like it's tightening like your skin, so it does feel like that. But like my face felt really smooth after I washed it off, so I did like it. I think I'll probably just buy the actual scrub so I can try it, because I think I'm gonna run out of this little mini packet. Pros, I would say, is that I love the moisturizer, I love the TLC Skin Slav, and I love the hydrating toner. So those three products I would definitely buy again. I definitely want to buy the turmeric honey glow mask so I can try it. But yeah, those three products I would definitely buy again. The facial black foaming soap, I don't know if I would buy that again. I think I would just stick to my Cetaphil or my geranium from Chloe and Chad, just because I love that I don't break out as much when I use those products. But yeah, I probably want to use that. And then the black soap, I'm not really a fan of black facial soap or just black soap period, because it does tend to dry out your skin. So I wouldn't buy that again, but I will say that that bar soap definitely helped with clearing up my skin. You know, just that one con of me, but that was my fault because I irritated my skin. But yeah, those two products I probably wouldn't buy again, but I would recommend them to other people to use, just to get like your feel on it and see how you like it. I say why not try it, because my opinion may be different than your opinion. So you know, I'm just here to give a review of how I liked it, and you know, you decide whether you want to try it or not. As far as their customer service, the customer service was great. I ordered obviously during the when COVID like was heightened, the lockdown and all that other stuff, so it took a while for my products to come. But one thing I will say, with a lot of black owned companies, especially like the small black owned companies, they were very good with communication. Like they would email you and just tell you like, thank you for ordering. I know that the orders are taking for like a long time, but you know, they'll give you an update like, okay, orders that was ordered during this time is being shipped. So I love that, because I feel like with a lot of like white brand companies or just other companies that's not black owned, they don't really communicate when, you know, your item is taking long. You know, I think it's only one company that I order from a lot that's not black owned, that usually kind of just lets you know like, hey, your item may be delayed, you know, whatever. But that was one thing that I did love about this company, is that they definitely communicated effectively when it came to my order. I didn't have to reach out to them like, hey, you know, I ordered this date, when is it? Like they literally beat me to the punch. So that is one thing I want to give a I can't even stand up, but a standing ovation to like all those small black owned businesses. Like you guys did a wonderful job during the pandemic of just communicating and just, you know, making sure people, like just making people feel comfortable enough to know like, okay, my products are coming, you know. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I'm definitely going to do another skincare like review routine. There's some other products that I want to try, so I definitely want to do a video on that. And yeah, make sure you look out for my podcast with my friend Anik. We are literally, we shot the promo today, so that's why I'm like all dressed up and dolled up. I know y'all like, why is she all dressed up for a skincare review video? I know, right? But we shot the promo today, and it's definitely, a new episode is going to be out on Monday the 14th. September 14th, new episodes. Look out for that. Make sure you following us on YouTube, and you know, subscribe to us on SoundCloud and on iTunes. We have that podcast up there as well. Yeah, so that's the end of this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the video and support your girl here, okay? I'll see you guys in my next upload. Make sure to follow me on all social media platforms. That is at Skylarzoe. I'll make sure to put every little detail there in the description bar. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.